Welcome to CAD/CAM Legend. In this tutorial, we will see how can we model this UPS upper cover inside SolidWorks sheet metal, and we will try to look at some basic features inside SolidWorks sheet metal like base flange, and after that we will come to features and we will see about the pattern, which is linear pattern, and we will also use the extruded cut. This is really very helpful for the beginners. So now let's start the part. Come to File and open a new part. Change the background plain white. Sheet metal. Select base flange. Choose a plane. Draw a line like this. Come to Smart Dimension. Keep this length 30. This one 20 for now. 20. And exact sketch. Keep this extrusion 40 mm. Okay. Now we want to assign some color. Choose this color for now. Okay. Now we want to create the cutouts. For that, I will choose this face, sketch on it, select center point straight slot. Okay. Now we will make some relation. Make sure this line is vertical. Now come to Smart Dimension and keep this one 10 for now. Again we will make a relation. This point, press and hold Control key, and this point horizontal. Assign one dimension more. This one is 0.5, this radius, and the distance from here till here is 2. Okay. Exact sketch. Now come to features and click on extruded cut. This time I will choose through all both because I need the same cutout on this side as well. Okay. See? Now I want to pattern this feature. For that I will come to pattern, especially linear pattern. Now see here. And direction 1, I will select this line and decrease the distance up to 1, and number of entities are 19, and features and faces, I want to pattern this feature. See? Now if you look at here, so the pattern is going to merge each other. So we are going to increase the distance 2. See? It's look better. Now each and everything is perfect right now. I will just click OK. See? It is perfect. Now at the last we will make the handle. For that I will create a new plane. Come to reference geometry, choose plane, select this face. Now it goes in opposite direction. I will flip the direction. Keep the offset distance 20 mm. Okay. Select this plane, sketch on it. I will draw a center rectangle. Come to Smart Dimension. Keep this one 8 mm. This one 15 mm. We will make some relation. This point and press and hold Control key. This point vertical. Again make it normal. Okay. And we will draw a line like this and this. Remove the unwanted portion. Okay. Exact sketch. Now we'll come to extruded wash base. See? It goes on one side. I will choose the mid plane. Keep the extrusion free. See? It's better. Now let me hide this plane. And this is fill right now. I need this one hollow. I will choose shell. Select this face. Press and hold Control key and this face. Assign the wall thickness 1 for now, and here check the show preview. See? Or you can keep it 0.5. Okay. See? It's better. Now the part is done. Remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell icon. Also like the video and our channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.